This video will tell you about My Family JioFence application and will help you to create and register your account. Safety and security of the family member, especially kids, has always been a concern for parents. My Family JioFence helps you to create a safe zone or unauthorized zone for your family members, kids and your youngers by converting your phone to a safety device. The solution sends email alerts when the phone leaves the specified zone and helps you ensure safety of your family member without having to actively log in into the portal. You will get to know about any unauthorized visit made to the places they are not supposed to visit. Let's see how to create and register your account. Download and install the application from Market. Once it is installed, click on the launcher icon. Read the terms of services and click I accept to proceed. Read how to start page to learn the steps about how to create and register your account and how to configure settings. Once it is done, click skip. Registration form will appear. Fill the registration form with valid details. Please note, the email ID entered here will act as a username while logging into your account. Once it is done, click submit. Confirm the registration detail and click OK. Now the details have been submitted for registration. Please check your email frequently for instructions to activate your account. Please do not forget to check your spam or junk folder. Click OK. Let's now see how to configure settings. Log in to the account with your username and password. Click on the menu button of your Android device. Now click on Settings. Location Manager page will appear. Make sure Position Lock checkbox is enabled to get the locks posted on the dashboard. You can set the JioFence radius here, or you can also set it from your dashboard account. Manage JioFence. This feature helps you to create a virtual boundary for your field staff and sends you email notification if the JioFence has been breached for any reason. To create JioFence, choose a user from the phone number drop-down list and click on Add button. Enter the name of JioFence, address and radius in the respective text boxes. Latitude and longitude will be taken itself by the system. To see the created JioFence on map, click on Show on Map button. Let's now schedule JioFence. Scroll down the page. JioFence can be scheduled according to your requirement by selecting the month, date and time range. Click on the particular month or date tab to select them. Click on the email checkbox and then click Add. JioFence is now created and scheduled for this user. You can activate or deactivate a particular JioFence by clicking on Active button. Similarly, you can create JioFence for other users. Report. Report shows the root trace information of the user with date and time against the JioFence. If the JioFence status is green, it shows that the user was within the JioFence. And if the JioFence status is red, it shows that the user was out of the JioFence. You can also see the location on map at any particular time by clicking on View on Map. Similarly, you can see the report for other users by selecting the user from the phone number drop-down list. Settings helps you to edit your details and set the time zone. On Edit Registration page, you can edit the admin details and delete your account. Time zone helps you to set your country, date and time. Download and try it now for free. For more information, please visit mobileappesquire.com or contact us at support@mobileappesquire.com. Thank you. Thank you.